A very good morning, student. Today we are going to see the adrenal medulla. For in a previous class we have seen about that adrenal gland for the cortex. I hope you have to understand to that and remember to the topic also. Now today we are going to see the adrenal medulla. Okay, here adrenal medulla we already said na adrenal medulla are composed of the internal part of an adrenal part. Here they are contain a special type of an cell to be presented here just like this. Okay, and the name is chromaffin cell. It is a name for that chromaffin cell. Okay, here in this chromaffin cells are richly supplied to the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. That is the first one, sympathetic, and next to the parasympathetic. Okay, here this is the two nervous system, or we already seen about the two nervous system. It is present in that autonomic nervous system, right? That is the ANS. We say no. Autonomic nervous system. What is the major function of an autonomic nervous system? They are work at the without involvement of central nervous system. There's work under a condition. Here their involvement of sympathetic, parasympathetic. They are comes under the autonomous nervous system. Here adrenal, we already said that they are work at the condition of emergency situation. Okay, emergency situation na sudden reply இருக்கணும். Okay, for an example, நடந்து போயிட்டே இருக்கீங்க, முள்ளு குத்துனா என்ன பண்ணும்? காலை டக்குன்னு எடுப்போம் இல்லையா? So that is the what adrenal gland work at their condition. Okay, but they are not involvement of brain and spinal cord. சடனாக அந்த ஒர்க்கை பண்ணி முடிப்போம் இல்லையா? So here their involvement of some nerve, that is the sympathetic and parasympathetic. இதுக்கு யாரு they are richly supplied to the sympathetic. ஓகேவா, யார் ஹார்மோன்ஸை செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா இந்த குரோமாஃபியன் செல்ஸ் தான். ஓகேம்மா, இந்த சிம்பத்தட்டிக் பேராசிம்பத்தட்டிக் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம் ஸ்டிமுலேட் பண்ணிவிடும் இந்த குரோமாஃபியன் cells. A first thing, here they are secreted some hormones in the adrenal medulla. A first one is the epinephrine and next one is the norepinephrine. Okay, hormones of adrenal medulla. Here a first one we are having epinephrine. Or it is also known as a adrenaline. Okay, and second one we are having the norepinephrine. Sorry, norepinephrine. So it is also known as a noradrenaline. Okay, here this is the two hormones are secreted in the adrenal medulla. Here in this two hormone are grouped together, they called as a emergency hormone. Okay, this is for an important 2 marks to you. These two hormones are grouped together called as a emergency hormone. Why they called as a emergency hormone? நான் ஏற்றே சொல்லியாச்சு, அட்ரினல் கிளாண்ட் ஒர்க் அட் தி கண்டிஷன் ஆஃப் அன் எமர்ஜென்சி சுச்சுவேஷன். அப்போது எந்த ஹார்மோன் செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறதுனா தட் இஸ் எபினெப்ரின் அண்ட் நார் எபினெப்ரின். ஸோ தட் தே ஆர் கால்ட் அஸ் எ எமர்ஜென்சி ஹார்மோன். ஹியர் they are work at the condition of an stress and a strained condition, that is a stress and emotional condition. Okay va, stress and emotional condition. And also in this hormone are known as a fight and fright hormone. Okay, why they are called as a fight and fright hormone na, when you are in a stress and emotional condition, adrenal gland enna pannum, just they are sending a signal to the adrenal medulla. They are just secrete the epinephrine or epinephrine. Okay va, that situation la pathona, when you are in a peak condition of stress and emotion, so that they are given as a name of a flight and fright hormone. Okay ma, and here next thing we are having the functions of adrenal medulla hormone. We are having the two hormones na, epinephrine and norepinephrine. We'll be see their functions in one by one. A first one we are having the epinephrine. Okay, here epinephrine we already said na, therefore that is the adrenaline. Here just they are promote the conversion of glucose into, that is the glycogen into glucose in the liver and muscles. We already said that. Just promote the conversion. Okay, என்னத்த conversion பண்றதுக்கு, glycogen into glucose. Glycogen glucose convert பண்ணும். Okay, in that glycogen they are covered with the scrotal sac. We already studied in the 9th standard, right? Here they are having a number of fine tubes, is the seminiferous tubule. What is the name for that? Seminiferous tubules. In that seminiferous tubule, just you have to take a cross section for a seminiferous tubule. This is not in your book. Okay, understand that. Just here, just imagine this is the seminiferous tubule. This is the cross section, no? Okay, this is the seminiferous tubule. Inside of the seminiferous tubule, this is the sperms attached to the wall of a seminiferous tubule. And here they are having some cells. They are only responsible for a secretion of hormones. Here first one they are having a Leydig cell. Just like this, they are having a surrounding spaces of a seminiferous tubule. Okay, and here this is the, what is the name for that? A Leydig cell. And another cells also is there, that is the Sertoli cell. What is the name for that? That is the Sertoli cell. The first thing, Sertoli cells is there, no, just they are providing a nutrition to the developing sperm. And next one, Leydig cell, it's just responsible for a secretion of, this only responsible for the secretion of a hormone. That is a male hormone. The name is the okay ma, male hormone. What is the name patonaka? That is the testosterone. What is the name for that? A testosterone. Here a testosterone are responsible for a production of a sperm. That